Guys, it's me again, Lucy from Brazil, and this crazy weather here, which is insane today. It's insane. Look, so much water. All fields here are full of water. And here I go, I have to take food to the stray dogs. As you guys know, every day I have to go. So I didn't go this morning because it was raining so much. Now the rain is kind of, it's giving me a break now. So, my gosh, so much water. Whew. It's like a swimming pool. The ducks would have loved it, The ducks are not here today, but if they ever come here today, so they're going to enjoy it. Oh, those little ducks. I love them. They're so cute and sweet. So see you guys there. We're not there yet, but look at the river. Almost. Look, oh my gosh, it's almost getting into the land, like almost overflowing. Damn it. I've never seen it like this, overflowing like crazy. It's almost overflowing. I have to go home. I have to be quick before the river overflows. My gosh, gotta be quick. There's one street which is already overflowed. My gosh, it really sucks. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. It really sucks.